All right, we got all the roses, prunes right here. Come spring and summer, it's beautiful. All these roses will be in full bloom. Got this archway. Spring is coming. Looking forward to it. More of these are all roses. They're gonna be blooming. It's really beautiful. Over here too. You can see how still the water is. This used to be fountains. You know, I've never seen it turned down. Maybe it's still functional. I don't know. Got some steps right here. Let me see if I can get right on top of the water. So you guys can see just how clear it is. It's remarkable. Oh, my old body. Oh, yeah. It's the only thing. The steps here are always real steep. Look how clear the water is, though. And you can walk out there quite a distance, but then eventually, this is a super deep lake. I want to say like 800 feet deep. It's constantly being fed water from the mountains all around. And there was a word my buddy taught me, a very old word that meant mirror. And that's what they used to call this lake. You can see why. When there's no wind, it does look like a mirror. Let's see if I can climb these steep steps now. Oh my God. Hip. Oh. 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 Walk back this way along the beach. Man, I want to see those roads. That shows you that we're all dug up once it's done. Well, like I said, besides the tourist areas, I do like to show you the streets and stuff like that, so you get a better idea of this beautiful city. Very laid back. Love the atmosphere. Like we talked about, when I was younger, give me the city, give me the hustle bustle, but now that I'm older, I want to relax. As they say in their language, havash, havash. Just take it easy. There's some very famous poets that came out of Pogradec. In my summer videos, you can see the roses in bloom. Can't wait to show it to you again. You see this like amphitheater? They do all kinds of events here, like we saw a fashion show down here. See, and they designed this. And a couple videos ago, you can see the tombs here. Okay? And I took you on a trip there. Really cool. But these columns, they were trying to duplicate it here. These are new, obviously, but they wanted to show respect to the actual tombs. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. I hope you can. Like I said, we saw fashion shows. They do all kinds of things here. Concerts, stuff like that. In the spring and summer is a really pretty part of the city. You can see the flowers. You know, it's pretty cold right now to really get them to take off. A lot of kids playing. So the view of the amphicenter. April and I feel blessed that we're here. You got out of that fast pace we had in the U.S. It's nice just to just to relax, explore. We're still young enough we can move around, you know what I mean? Because a lot of times you fall into that trap. You go, all right, I'm gonna work one more year, and I get it, because you gotta be afraid that you're gonna have enough money to retire. But believe me, I get it. But then people end up working until their bodies just can't work no more. You start having health issues, so then you retire, you're like, all right, but then your body's so broken down you can't do nothing, you know? But believe me, I get it, guys, I do. But April and I are still young enough, we can still go around. I can do walks, I could explore. So we feel blessed. We stayed at this hotel last summer. Came out a few times just to make sure this is the city we want to live, right? Vodafone's over here. Doggone it, I forgot. I should have brought April's phone. I think her bill's due for her telephone. She's got an Albanian number. I think I mentioned that to you before. On my phone, I still got an American number. I'm using Google Voice. That way I can use the two-person authorization if your bank ever needs to verify it's you. I've heard some people had trouble with voice. It's been perfect for me. But I have it set up where I have to have Wi-Fi. So that has been working out perfect for us. You guys want to walk around the beach? Come on. And this is the area of the city where you're going to find a lot of your banks. There's Union Bank over there. Then you got the post office. Credence Bank, where I'm belong at, is right down the street there. So this is the area where the banks are. Here's Toronto Bank, right there. Dun, 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 dun. It comes spring and summer, it's beautiful here. Absolutely stunning. It's beautiful now. Yeah, let's look. It's been cold, so we've been having coffee inside the coffee shops. But the coffee shops always have outdoor seating, like over there. See? So have your coffee, sit out by this beautiful lake. I still gotta pinch myself. I can't believe I live here. I've been seeing a lot of people, especially in the early morning, they're taking their boats out now to go fishing. I've been seeing that a lot, these boats right here. And I'm told, yes, you can rent them. I've never tried. I know they got, I don't want to say commercial fishing, but you can go on fishing exhibitions out of North Macedonia. So I think, I'm pretty sure, 90% sure I'm going to take Jesse. We'll go out there and go fishing. So that'd be cool. But yeah, they're taking their boats out more and more now. Look how beautiful, guys. Stunning. This is home. Can you believe it? This is our home. All right, I love you guys. I'm gonna let you go. Thanks for coming over to walk with me. Appreciate you. Bye-bye.